I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your ABN AMRO app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the ABN AMRO app. Launch the ABN AMRO app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your current credentials. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by gear icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Security Options section. This is where you can manage your login methods. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of the app and then try logging back in using your biometric method. Make sure your fingerprint or face recognition is set up correctly on your device. If your device has a screen protector, make sure it doesn't interfere with the biometric sensor. Enjoy the convenience of logging in quickly and securely. I hope this guide helps you set up biometric login smoothly. Happy banking!